How to put tables side by side in your web document. If you want to know how to put this table side by side, this video is for you. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. To get started in your web document, locate the insert option on the top extreme left and tap on it. Then make sure to select table. With this selected, continue to select the option that you want. In this case, I'm going to select the 3x1. And after selecting this, I'm going to make sure this table is labeled as table 1. Then the next one is table 2, and then finally table 3. In my case, I'm going to bolden it so that you can see it properly. After bolden it, I'm going to make sure I entered the correct number of cells and rows that I want in each of this table. And to do that, I'm going to go back to the insert option again on the top extreme left, then click on table. Then I'm going to click on 3x3. I'm going to replicate that here in the table 2 again. In the insert option, I'm going to tap on it, then table, then 3x3 again, and then again the third one I'm going to insert, then tables, then also 3x3. Now for me to edit this table to make it look much deeper than it is currently, I'm going to make sure I select on the table. Then on the top extreme left, you could see this plus icon. Make sure to right click it, then among the list of options here, scroll down until you locate table properties. Then with this selected, continue to tap on borders and shading. Then again, continue to tap on width and make sure you select 1.5 point. Then with this selected, continue to click on OK, then OK again. Now the table that you've selected is now deepened. And to replicate that, we can also do it to this table. Make sure this table is selected and right click on it. Continue to click on table properties. Then after that, continue to tap on borders and shadings. Then make sure to select on the width. Ensure that it's selected on the 1.5. Then make sure to tap on OK, then OK again. With the third one, you can continue to do the same thing. Just follow the inscription that I'm doing on my screen. Table, then borders and shadings. Then I'm going to make sure I select the width as 1.5. Then tap on OK, then OK again, and there you are. Now we want to remove these external borders out of this line, and to do that, we're going to click on the plus icon and make sure it's right click. Then I'm going to click on table properties. In this case, I'm going to select on border and shading, but this time I'm going to select on none, then click on OK, then OK again. So this will make sure the external border line is removed, as you can currently see. In the case I want to group all this table into one and move it simultaneously, it's pretty simple and easy. Let me show you how to do it. Back to the insert tab, I'm going to click on it. Then among the list of options on the ribbon, I'm going to select on text box. Then with this selected, I'm going to continue to tap on simple text box. This will give me a text box like this. I'll make sure I delete this text and maintain the box. I'm going to resize it to this shape. Now that I've gotten it to look like this, I'm going to copy everything here by first highlighting it, then right click and then tap on copy. Then I'm going to move my pointer into this box and then right click again and tap on paste. Now that we have successfully pasted everything, we can reposition this group of table just to fit exactly where we want to put it. After that, to remove this external border again, what I have to do this time is to make sure I right click on this external table. Then I'm going to click on format shape. Then again, I'm going to tap on no line. Then I'm going to close this and then move it out. The benefit of having it in this form is you can move it simultaneously to wherever you want to position it, as opposed to this one where you can't move it in that dimension. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.